Those are my cats. Hey guys, it's me, Kaya, and we're back after a long hiatus. Long hiatus. I posted the last video in like January, and now it's June. And yeah, you know how I get, man. I don't know how to explain it to y'all. I tried, I didn't try hard enough. I just wanted to get this video out before. This is gonna be my makeup routine that I do most days. I really don't know what it, but yeah, I'm excited to show you guys, and even if you just take one little tip from this, or y'all can leave suggestions in the comments, because I love trying new stuff. And this is how I go to looking like this. Yeah, we'll see. Let's get into the video. What's up, y'all? It's Editing Kaya here, and there I am, all barefaced and natural. And I take my CeraVe healing ointment, and I mix that with a little bit of vitamin E oil, and then I just rub that in my face, to start off with a great, nice, smooth, moisturized base. And I take my primer and just rub it in so my face can be nice and priming and stay all day. Then I just brush my eyebrows to get them together, just, to get them a nice shape. And that's me jamming to Drive Me Crazy by Lil Yachty. Yeah, then I take my color correcting concealer just to color correct so I can have a nice all around even color. I go in with that under my eyes, in the middle of my forehead, the sides of my nose, like just areas where it's uneven. And then I just take my eyebrow powder and fill in and line my brows, like my brows looking a little thicker. And then I'm gonna blend out that color correcting concealer so it's not as harsh when I put my concealer on, and can be a nice even base. Then I'm gonna take my concealer and I'm just gonna put that under my eye, in the middle of my forehead, the sides of my nose, and under my chin. Just those are the areas I want to brighten personally. And yeah, then I spray setting spray on it so I can blend it out with the brush and just blend it nice and seamlessly. Yeah, see, we getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Then I take a beauty blender and just dab that in so it can just give that skin like look. Then I take a even lighter concealer just to hit all the spots that I directly want to highlight. And I also use it to highlight my nose using the exclamation point method, where you just do a one long line and then a dot at the point of your nose. Okay, so then I take my contouring concealer. It's a darker shade, and I put it on the sides of my eyes so I don't have to do eyeshadow later. I put it on the places that I want to look more sharp and more sunken in, I guess. Then, like your nose, you want to carve out that nose or whatever. And yeah, I contour my nose with that, going from the inside of my eyebrow. And I didn't want to use a lot, so I don't want it, you don't want it to be too harsh. I just, this is all light, da da da. And then I take that color correct concealer to I put it, yeah, this is for the eyeshadow look, trust me. Then I'll use it as blush also. And after that I take setting spray and I blend that all out seamlessly. Emphasis on seamlessly. Blend that shit out basically. But while I got y'all here, I'm just, hey y'all, I miss y'all. I'm not about to come in here and say I am gonna start posting, but I'm gonna try, especially since my birthday is coming up, July 8th. Cancer season is approaching, so excited. And if I do record, it's gonna be great content. I'm gonna try. Just tell me what y'all want to see too. I don't know what to do, but yeah, back to this. I take a brown eyeshadow and I put that, just line my eyes with that, and then I like blend it out so you can give like kind of smoky and a thicker waterline effect. And yeah, Yeah, y'all know how like get in your eye. I be mad as hell when it shit in my eye. I be ready to cry. You know, that's like you gotta be careful, you know. Just make sure that stuff looks nice. And then I'm taking my banana powder just to set under my eyes. And depending on how I feel, I may go for a more dewy look or I may go for a more matte look. I tend to gravitate more towards dewy looks. But you know, I love it all, just depending on the day. You know? And I look good. This is also one of my favorite processes. I don't know. Everything looks so carved out. I just feel like I look so cute. Then I just go in while that's setting and I just, you know, put on my mascara or, you know, whatever my lashes are looking like that day. But right now I got on lash extensions and I love them. They're so cute. I wake up and, yeah. But yeah, I just put that mascara on my lashes, which are long, juicy. Just, they look good. Then, you know, I just had to look at myself one more time and then just brush that excess powder so I don't look dusty. So yeah, just brush that excess powder. Then I take some setting spray and just blend the rest of the powder in. I found my setting spray because it went missing and I found it, the right one. So yeah, see, then I just dab it in with the beauty blender. So you know, everything I'm really blend that stuff out. Now I'm working on my lips. Now lips are very important to me since you know I have big lips, so they have to look good because you know a lot of people say that's the first thing they notice about me are my lips. So they can be crusty and they can be junky. So yeah, I just line it out with a reddish brown. Then I go with a more brownish just to fill in those lines and go under it just so it can have a nice blend into my regular color lips. Then I take this moisturizing tint and just put it on my lips just to, you know, your lips, I can have crusty lips. Like I said, my lips are big, so they can't be crusty. And I like my lips to look like they have life into it too. And then I have to add lip gloss and more lip gloss because I just love lip gloss. And that's it. Bye. And hey guys, yeah, this is the final look. Ignore me, I haven't did my edges. Actually, I have to actually run and go take all this makeup off because I have a lash appointment and I can't have this on. But I just really wanted to get this video out before I get my lashes done because I feel like this is what, because I always don't have lashes on, so I feel like this is most close to my everyday, like what I do when I do my makeup, whether it be every day or whether it be every week or whenever. Yeah, I feel like it really came out really good. I filmed this video before and my makeup didn't my makeup didn't turn out good and I was just like, what in the world? I don't know, maybe I was camera shy, maybe I was something else, I don't know. But this is how it came out and I think, you know, this would look like, and I look so cute down to the lip combo. Like, for watching this video. I am about to get more active and post more on here. That's why I made sure I filmed this video. I've been up since like 5 in the morning. What else? You know, follow me on all my socials, Instagram, like TikTok, to see what I'm up to when I'm not on here, which is often. I'm gonna see how the lashes go. These are me getting lashes for the first time. So my natural lashes pretty long, but we're cute. Thank you for watching the video. I do appreciate y'all, and because I really don't think nobody watched these, but if you do watch, thank you, love you, and bye.